That are coming in. As per the Union Health Ministry, a young male patient who recently returned from a country with ongoing Mpox transmission has been identified as a suspected case of the virus. The patient is in the hospital and is reportedly in a stable condition. The Health Ministry confirming that samples have been taken and they're undergoing testing to verify whether the patient has contracted Mpox. So a man who recently traveled from a country experiencing Mpox transmission has been identified as a suspected case of the disease. My colleague Akanksha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Akanksha, this is very concerning. What are the details of the patient? We're told the patient has been isolated at a designated hospital.
But the health ministry has said that there's no cause for worry, as earlier also they had said that this, in fact, the strain of Mpox is not very virulent. But the fact is that a suspected case of Mpox has come to the fore. It is currently under investigation. Patient has been put under isolation, and the health ministry has revealed that this is a young male patient, as you also pointed out, who recently traveled from a country currently which is experiencing Mpox cases, and he has been identified as a suspect case of Mpox. So there's no confirmation whether he has Mpox or not, because currently his samples have been sent for confirmation. So in a day or two we'll know whether the case is confirmed. But right now it is suspected. In the last 1 month, ever since the cases are increasing worldwide, the Prime Minister has taken stock of it. The Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister last month on October 18 took stock of this situation. There is still no clarity which state this patient is in. Right now his samples have gone for testing, so we will know which state he belongs to in a day or two. But as far as Delhi is concerned, there are three nodal hospitals. In fact, here one is AIIMS and other is RML Hospital. And the Health Ministry has said that all the precautionary measures are being taken by the country to make sure that there is no spread of this disease. But as I mentioned, this is just a suspected case, and the samples have been sent for testing. We'll get the confirmation in a day or two.
Okay, so the Health Ministry also continues to clarify that there is no reason to panic. Thank you for joining us with those details.